Assalamu alaikum and welcome to e-learning program for computer science students of class 9. New syllabus has introduced by Punjab Education Department. In this book, the first unit is about problem solving, which is actually relating to the working of software development companies. These companies have already defined system of solving any problem by developing computer software. Now we must have the answer of these questions. How they identify a problem, how they analyze a problem, how they get solution for specified problem, and how will they adopt functions of flowchart and algorithm. The answers of these questions are discussed in this unit. Let's start it from very beginning. To solve a problem, a well-defined approach is required. For that, we must concentrate on given 5 ways which we discuss later in this unit, and they are: define a problem, understand a problem, planning for solution, define candidate solution, selecting the best solution. Now we discuss these steps in detail one by one. The first one is defining a problem. This step is the most important step that leads us to a better solution. All the conditions and situations are clearly specified, and the purpose as well. It can be in the form of question or a proper statement. We can choose one of the following strategies to define any problem. The first one is gain background knowledge. We must understand the situation for which we solve a problem. It can be in the form of any state or question. To understand better and how we shall be able to measure the solution. The second one is use guesses. Some information can be deceptive or oversight. We would try to guess about this information through our past experience. And the third one is draw a picture. If it is hard to identify and define the problem, we would draw a picture and trying to fill up the incomplete information. Here we try to have some understanding about problem before approaching to any solution. For example, if you have to solve a puzzle, you must understand the situation given for puzzle. After then, you can have an answer. Better understanding can be save money, time, and resources. There are 3 basic stages used to get well defined solution. Problem, number 1, number 2, analyzing, and number 3 is solution. Problem has already been discussed. Now we are going to discuss analyzing and getting. Before discussing analyzing, we shall discuss about problem statement. Following is an example. A problem is given in the form of a question. The example is: a teacher has assigned us a task to prepare a list of students of school whose names start with letter A. We have to prepare the list in alphabetical order within a week. This is the task. To complete this task, we must follow the steps given for analyzing the problem. We shall discuss them in next slide. Identifying 5 W's in the problem statement given in the previous slide. Following steps must be taken on for analyzing the problem mentioned in previous slide. The first is what. In this step, we must list the names of students starting with A. Step 2, who. In this step, the key point is to prepare the list of students of the school only. 3, why. In this step, we have to prepare the directory of students. Step 4, when. In this step, the time period of 1 week is given to us. Step 5, where. In this step, we must know about the situation